Question number 25. Which group of electromagnetic waves is arranged in order from shortest wavelength to longest wavelength? You know, when such kinds of questions are asked, many students make a mistake. They always get confused about which one to write first, which is longest wavelength, shortest wavelength, and so on. I'll just tell you a brief formula for it, a shortcut for you. See, ultraviolet. First one is visible region. Visible. See, visible radiation is one of the radiations that is being seen. Okay, and we know we always have something like we have violet to red are the set of colors which spans over here. Whenever you see a red, okay, so whenever you see a violet will have a wavelength of 400 and red will have a wavelength of 700 nanometers. And whenever you have a red over here, the last one here is radio. Okay, it's radio wave. And in radio wave, you have your which waves? Microwaves also. Okay, you will have your microwaves also. Okay, that means wavelength is increasing like this. Wavelength is increasing like this. Okay, and before violet, okay, you have something like U, V, W, X, and so on. So what you do is you consider X-rays. X-rays are always the least wavelength. Least wavelength. Okay, so therefore now you see least wavelength should be towards X-rays and what the maximum wavelength should be towards the microwaves. So definitely visible does not have a least wavelength. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect. Radio waves it's at the other extreme. So definitely it is also incorrect. The only option left here is D. So D is the right answer.